Hey you guys, I just want to do a quick video today to let you have an example of how to do unit conversions when you're dealing with grams and moles. And one thing I hope you're able to figure out from the worksheet is, and from probably remembering from class, is that the atomic mass, the average atomic mass on the periodic table is equal to the number of grams. Let's see. Let's find a nice, I can't scoot it over to lithium. So if we look at, say, aluminum, has an average atomic mass of 26.982, and that's how many grams are in 1 mole for aluminum. Well, for lithium, that number is 6.941. And so we can use grams of lithium. We can use that as the conversion factor to change between grams and moles of a substance. And it's just a regular unit conversion, just like any of the other ones that we've done, but super useful and very important skill for you guys to be able to convert between units. And so this is just to help you get through the lesson that I left for you guys. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope your worksheet makes sense. I know you can't edit it. It's a little frustrating for you, but you can just write your answers down and submit it. And for now, we're not grading any work, and due dates are, they're suggestions. So do it. It's good for you. All right, so let's take a look at this example. We got 45 grams of lithium. How many moles is that? And so we are always going to start with the given information. The given information is 45 grams of lithium. Attach your units to it. Make sure you know what you're dealing with. And then we're going to set this up like a unit conversion problem where the unit that we're converting away from is the one that we started with. And so it's always going to go on the bottom. And the unit that we're changing into will go on the top. And the numbers that go right here, what's my conversion factor between grams and moles? Well, that is the average atomic mass, and that's going to be different for every element. So for lithium, it's 6.941 grams per mole. And I can use that this way with my grams on the bottom, moles on the top, if I'm starting from grams. If I'm starting from moles, I'm going to need to flip that. And so I'll put my 1 mole on the bottom. Whatever you start with, that's what has to go on the bottom, because when you multiply grams times moles divided by grams, your grams of lithium cancel out, and the only unit we're left with is moles. So y'all probably didn't, I don't know if you guys brought your calculators home, and a lot of you don't have calculators anyway. But so let's do this together. So we started with 45 grams of lithium times 1 divided by the molar mass, 6.941, and so I get 6.48. What's my unit there? Well, moles of lithium. That's all I've got left. Okay, let's look at an example starting the other way, starting from moles and changing it into grams. And remember, this conversion factor changes for every different element. You got to look at your periodic table to find out what it is. Let's do one that's a whole entire compound. Let's do water. So if I have 4.5 moles of water, how many grams is that? Well, now I got multiple things to add up here. So hydrogen has a mass of 1.01 grams in a mole, and oxygen has a mass of 15.999. For our purposes, that would be, we'll round that to 16.00. We always keep 2 places past the decimal. And so when you add this up, you're going to do 2 hydrogens. So we'll multiply our 1.01 times 2, add that to the 16, 8.02 grams for every 1 mole of water. Let me slide that over where you can see. 18.02 grams in 1 mole of water. So to figure out how many grams this is, we'll take our 4.5 moles that we started with, moles of water, and what am I going to do this time? What goes on the bottom? Well, we started with moles, so you better put your 1 mole of water on the bottom, your 18.02 grams on the top. Moles divided by moles will cancel out. Your answer is going to be 4.5 multiplied by 18.02, 81.09 grams of water. Keep your units attached and make your answers easy to find. Hope this makes sense. Feel free to message me with whatever questions you have. You can use the contact form on my webpage, or you can reply to the remind. Either way will be fine. Hope y'all are having a great day. And yeah, don't get too stressed about it.